Greetings to all the learners. I, Siddharth Bulla, Faculty of Mathematics, welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. Today in this podcast, we'll be learning about a matrix and its types. So let's understand what is a matrix. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. And the order of the matrix is written as the product of number of rows by number of columns. Here you can see the matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, so the order of the matrix will be 2 by 3. Now let's come to the types of a matrix. Basically we have 6 types of matrix, and those are column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, and identity matrix. So let's begin with the first one, column matrix. So a column matrix is the matrix where all the elements of the matrix are arranged in a column only. That means there is no row present in the matrix, only single column is present, and the order of the matrix will be like 2 into 1, 3 into 1, or 4 into 1. The column matrix has arrangement of numbers in a vertical column only. The next is row matrix. Opposite to the column matrix, where all the elements are arranged in a vertical manner, in the row matrix all the elements are arranged in a horizontal manner. That means there is no column present in the matrix, only rows are present. Such type of matrix is called a row matrix. The next is square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. For example, you can see this matrix has 3 columns and 3 rows. So the order of the matrix will be 3 by 3. So a square matrix can be of order 2 by 2, 3 by 3, and 4 by 4, and so on. The next is diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix is a kind of square matrix, but where all the elements in the matrix are present on its diagonal. Rest all the elements will be 0. The elements present on the diagonal can be different. So in short, a square matrix having different elements on its diagonal only will be called a diagonal matrix. The next is scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is also a square matrix which has the elements on its diagonal only, but the difference between the scalar and the diagonal matrix is, in the scalar matrix all the elements on the diagonal must be same except 1. That means any number, any value can be on its diagonal except 1. Such matrix is called scalar matrix. And the last is identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix is also a square matrix where the elements are present on its diagonal only, and rest all the elements will be 0. The difference between the diagonal, scalar, and identity matrix is that in identity matrix the elements present on its diagonal are always 1. In short, now if we want to differentiate between the diagonal, scalar, and identity matrix, because in all these 3 matrices the elements are present on its diagonal only, so let's differentiate. In diagonal matrix the elements are present on its diagonal and the elements can be different. In scalar matrix the elements are also present on its diagonal, the elements have to be same except 1. And if on the diagonal all the elements are 1, the matrix will be called identity matrix or unit matrix. So this is all about the types of matrix in this podcast. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. Thank you.